Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and I am a mum to 3 gorgeous kids, and we live in sunny Queensland, Australia. But today it isn't sunny, it's a rainy day outside, so I thought what a better thing to do than to organise my fridge. So today I'm going to do a fridge clean out. Recently our fridge broke down and I got some storage containers from Aldi, but I haven't put them back in, so everything's kind of shoved in and unorganized and it's driving me insane. So today I'm going to tackle that, and I'm going to use Kobe down there. Hello mate. I'm going to use these containers that I got from Aldi to kind of section out the fridge so it's more organized. So I will film that for you.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking.
So here we have like medicines, Chris's beers. This is where I'll make the kids' lunches. They pop them in there to put in their lunchbox the next day. So if I've got cakes and stuff and sandwiches, they keep fresh overnight. dog and cat food, meat for dinner for the week, veggies on this side, fruit on this side, like sauces. I think I've got enough mint jelly to last a lifetime. Poppers for the school lunches, vegetarian food for Izzy, and then wraps for lunches. The deli meat, so when I open them, I put them in the containers like this. Some dairy. I used to put the cheese in these containers, but I found that they would go a little green, and we tend to eat it more if we keep it in the packet. Almond milk for Isabel, so sauces, lemon juice, like jams and stuff, and this is if we go like for a barbecue, we've got little sauces, and milk, because the kids love milk. So I hope you like that, and
baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.